I've never seen something like that. I'm glad it didn't go all the way over.
The big rig slammed through the guardrail on the overpass on I-5 at the 580 flyover.
CBS 13's Carlos Correa is live in Tracy, where officials are about an hour away from reopening the lanes to traffic. Carlos.
Yeah, luckily nobody was hurt during this crash, but the California Highway Patrol says it's a reminder for all motorists to slow down during a storm. Scary moments for a 43-year-old driver who was southbound on I-5 at the 580 flyover when he lost control of his big rig.
I've never seen something like that. I'm glad it didn't go all the way over. Would have really caused a mess.
The California Highway Patrol says the semi-truck crashed through the guardrail and partially drove off the flyover bridge. Officers say slippery roads and strong winds are to blame.
Yeah, it concerns me because I'm driving this big truck, so you have to kind of keep your space and hope that people don't cut you off.
CHP officers closed a portion of I-5 while they waited for the truck to be towed away. The crash left many drivers sitting idle for hours.
It's horrible. It's horrible. It rains a little, I tell you, everybody comes to a standing stop. I can only speak from what we just went through. I spent almost 2 hours in a dead stop traffic jam from, where 580 and here join.
The CHP reminds motorists to increase the distance between the car in front of you because any amount of water can cause a vehicle to lose control. Officers also say to watch your speed.
Slow down. Slow down. You'll get there quicker if you slow down because you may have an accident if you don't.
And that driver involved in the crash was driving 55 miles per hour. He was not cited. Officers with CHP say are urging motorists to use alternate routes as they repair the damage in that portion of I-5.
Yeah, slow it down in these conditions. Carlos, thanks. Live in Tracy.